Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the dev tools immediately. Press F12 or Ctrl plus Shift plus I and go to console. Once done, reproduce the error so you see the exact messages and timestamps. Make sure to disable browser extensions or use an incognito window to remove extension interference. You want a clean baseline. This avoids chasing external noise. Finally, take a quick screenshot or copy the error text to clipboard so you won't lose details when proceeding to deeper investigation. You next move into a focused inspection. Open sources and enable pause on exceptions, then reproduce the issue so execution halts where the error happens. Once paused, step through the stack to find the offending function and inspect variable values in scope. Simultaneously, use the Network tab to match failed requests and response statuses to console errors. If code is minified, make sure source maps are loaded so you can read original names. This reveals root causes quickly and precisely. You now implement a targeted fix. Make a minimal code change or adjust the failing network header, then test it live in dev tools for immediate feedback. Once the console error disappears locally, hard reload with cache cleared to ensure no stale assets remain and verify across another browser. If the problem persists, reproduce it in a clean browser profile and gather console logs, network traces, and steps to replicate. This single trace package is your key troubleshooting tip to get help efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.